Wait till you see what I got in store for you guys today. This is the Hydro-Blok shower system. We're going to be laying the floorboard, and this is going to be a kick-ass session. So what I'm doing right now is just dry fitting this, and I recommend doing this for your subfloor and for your tile. It's just going to make your life a lot easier. As you go, you'll find you waste a lot of time up and down, phone calls. I don't like to have my thin set mixed up in the open time, just getting butchered. So right now I'm just cutting the board with a utility knife, and I can't stress how easy this was compared to your average concrete board. One cut, probably do it. It's only 1/4 inch. It's a Portland based product. It's got a mesh on each side holding up Portland, and then in the middle is the waterproofing. But I did 2 cuts on this just to get through the mesh, give it a nice clean cut, but you could most definitely get through with 1 cut. So as I continue going through this, you'll see a cutout there. That's the plumbing for my roughen. That's my roughen plumbing for the freestanding tub, and all I did was just measure it, transfer the lines up onto it, and then cut through it. As you see, I'll just kind of keep going and dry fitting away. Guys, let me know down in the comments, what do you think? Who's at the top of the game for waterproofing systems, cost and time? I've used them all. This took me about 45 minutes, I think, to actually get it dry fitted, and it's relatively cut up between the plumbing here, the corners, around the shower, over to where the toilet is, and some plumbing on the other side. So as I go through this, again, just mark it out, same blade, same utility knife, cut through it. Again, I kind of over-exaggerate by going through twice, but I just want to make sure I got a nice clean cut. I did do it once, and I had one little core attached to it, and I just peeled it, and it kind of blew my mesh apart. So I just took my time. What you see me doing is I lay level. This is how I transfer my walls and my doors. Lay the level on tight to the wall, fit it up, mark it, and then I just cut it back an 1/8 short so that I got room to play. You don't want to get locked in, and there's no reason for it to be super tight. What I'm doing here is marking where my faucet's going to go for the tub, and I just cover it up for now. I didn't have my whole saw kit out at this moment. I come back and cut it later. Just finishing up that hole for the freestanding tub. What do you guys think about this? Do you guys think it should be tighter? I went by what they said with the instructions on the freestanding tub, and this is 1 joist base, so from what I can tell what the instructions say, everything's going to be supported on the 4 legs of the tub. Not like you need a mortar bed with the old tubs, so I think I'm good here. If you guys got a different way of doing it, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what you guys do. I did pull that out of there. I'm not one of those guys that leave garbage in the hole either. So I just drop it in fast forward here. When I'm editing, I think I'm at like 600 times the speed of what I'm actually doing it. So just to kind of let you guys see how the rest of it went. One of the greatest things about this floorboard that I really liked is I get to the toilet flange, and it's a pain in the ass on concrete board. With this, I literally just punch it through and just notch it around. Worked out so good. Do you guys prefer the concrete board versus this? This is the great thing about this is you see that green flange there on the shower pan. It ties in so nice. You put a bead of what the hell is it called? Polyurethane sealant, and it worked great. So right now I'm just chopping this up, and here's the rest of the project. So this is dry fitted up, 40 minutes. Hydro-Blok shower system. Just gonna lay it down with some modified thin set, screw it down every 16 with their washer and screws, and then seal up all your joints with their polyurethane sealant, and all your screws you seal up as well.